Alright, now comes the most exciting part. Let's jump right in and create an AI prompt. In this example, we'll create a prompt that generates a well-written blog post. Our main focus is to demonstrate how to create custom variables. The first step in creating your prompt is to provide it with a title that will be displayed in the marketplace. Next, write a brief description that explains the purpose of the prompt and how it benefits the user. In step 2, you'll choose a marketplace where you want to list your prompt, either the public or private marketplace. Remember, you can list the prompt on both marketplaces. If you decide to list the prompt on the public marketplace, you'll need to select a specific category and corresponding activities. When you choose a category, the available activities will change accordingly. For the private white label marketplace, select the private option. Then you can choose one of your custom categories, which can be easily modified in the app's settings area. On the right-hand side, you can preview how your prompt will appear in the marketplace. Finally, set a price for your prompt and click Next. Now let's return to custom variables. As mentioned earlier, custom variables allow users to personalize the output according to their preferences. Let's go through an example. First, we need to define the AI's role. We'll write, act as a world-class blogger with decades of experience in writing highly engaging and traffic-generating blog posts organically. Now we'll set up 3 custom variables: the blog's topic, which will be referred to as blog_topic, the desired tone, which will be tone, and the target audience, which will be target_audience. Remember, when creating a variable, enclose the text within curly brackets. Ensure that there are no spaces in the text. To connect 2 words, you can use an underscore. The software recognizes this formatting and will respond accordingly in the next step. Once we click Next, we'll have the opportunity to provide titles for our variables. These titles will guide the user when entering information. Let's start with the blog topic. The tooltip will say, enter the topic of your blog here. Next, we'll add the blog tone and instruct the user to enter the tone of your blog here. Lastly, we'll set up the target audience and ask the user to describe your target audience. Now that we have our prompt created, users can customize it by filling in the variables with their desired information. You can then monetize the output as you see fit. The actual prompt remains hidden and secure. But wait, there's more. You can always go back and further refine the prompt. Let's add additional instructions for the AI. We want the AI to create 3 subtopics related to the main topic, blog_topic. By referencing the same variable again, we can generate lengthier output and deliver outstanding results to our customers. For each subtopic, expand on it and write a couple of paragraphs. Aim for a human-like writing style that sounds interesting, original, and matches the personality appropriate for the blog topic of blog_topic. Remember, there are various ways to prompt an AI to generate human-like content. Check out our other videos in this series for more insights. You can also enhance your prompt's value by adding additional requests, such as generate image descriptions for generative image AI or provide references with actual data to support the post. Oh, and here's another tip. Incorporate real data, statistics, and facts to make the information presented more credible. Now it's time to test our prompt and see what we get. Before we proceed with testing the prompt, let's add a few variables. First, let's set the blog topic. Type in how to catch the biggest bass from the shore. Next, we'll define the tone of the post. In this case, we want it to be hopeful, so enter hopeful as the tone. Now let's specify the target audience. We're targeting fishermen who want to improve their bass catching skills from the shore without using a boat. By the way, this is exactly how your customers will use the prompt, entering variables, clicking submit, and then providing their credit card information for purchase. Once they've made their purchase, their credit card information will be securely stored, enabling them to buy more prompts with just a single click. Now let's test the prompt. Give it a few seconds to complete. And voila! There you have it, a blog post written in a hopeful tone, aimed at fishermen who want to catch more bass from the shore. Remember, keep iterating and refining your prompt until it's perfect. When you're satisfied, click Publish Prompt in the upper right corner to make it live. Congratulations, your prompt is now live and you're officially in business. You have a prompt available on the marketplace that helps users achieve their desired results. And that's what business is all about. Well done on reaching this point. You're embarking on a new journey to create multiple online vending machines that consistently provide value to users 24/7.